Managing customer debts and ensuring cash is collected is vital to running a successful business. The Credit Management Centre for Opera 3 provides an integrated, easy-to-use tool that consolidates all of the information you need to help reduce bad debts, improve your cash flow, which can rapidly boost the financial position of your business. This short presentation will introduce you to a valuable element of credit management called the Debt Management Facility, which is available for Opera 3. My name is Samantha Garrett and I'm one of the product specialists here at Pegasus Software. It's imperative to know who's got your cash, but you also need the flexibility to incorporate professional debt correspondence into your collection processes. So, an essential part of streamlining your credit control procedures is to chase those customers that have failed to pay within their agreed contracted terms. Opera 3's Credit Management Centre provides this solution perfectly, which includes an intuitive debt management tool that can mail merge, generate, and then either print or email customised debt correspondence. And what's more, the server handles the hard work in the background so that you can continue working. One of the benefits of this solution is that you're not restricted to only having maybe 2, 3, or even 4 different levels of correspondence. Instead, you have the flexibility to define up to 9 levels of debt correspondence that can be tailored to suit your business requirements, which means that the software will adapt to fit your credit control policies rather than the software making up the rules. You choose how you want your levels of correspondence to be created and sent, either by days overdue or by period. And you can also specify a minimum debt level, helping you focus your debt recovery on those customers that will make the biggest difference to your bank balance. In addition, you can tailor individual customer terms, such as their minimum debt level, credit limit, are they to receive printed or emailed correspondence, or should they be excluded from receiving such correspondence altogether, putting you in control of managing sensitive customers. Designing your letters and emails couldn't be simpler using the intuitive designer. Up to 9 levels of correspondence can be crafted and tailored to fit your company's credit control needs, but what's more, you can also create up to 9 levels of individual customer-specific letters for those accounts that may need a more personalised approach or perhaps require their letters in a different language. Of course, you might decide that you wish to use the same letter for each demand for payment, but the choice is yours. You'll be able to use the designer straight away due to its familiar feel and similarities to other software products, meaning that you don't have to learn new controls. Simply pick the level of correspondence that you wish to design and away you go. Intelligent formatting options allow you to powerfully tailor your letters by inserting images, customising text fonts, sizes, colours, highlighting, formatting paragraph options, as well as being able to incorporate tables, bullet points, numbering, just to name a few. But more importantly is the ability to incorporate a diverse range of mail merge fields into your correspondence. This instantly personalises and ensures that accurate, up-to-date information about each account is included, such as the customer's name, address, last letter date, total balance, balance overdue, credit limit and the date this was agreed, their trading terms, through to disputed and undisputed overdue amounts. This can then be broken down by 1 month old, 2 months old, and then 3 months old and over. This level of freedom gives you the ability to include different information on each level of letter to strengthen the demand for payment message. Now, you may wish the message to become more forceful as the debt ages, but again, the choice is yours. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can design your letters in, say, Word, for example, and simply copy and paste, add in your mail merge fields, save away, and your letters are ready to go. In addition, if you ever need to create another level of letter, you can copy and paste from a previous letter and amend as appropriate. Now, it might be that some customers need a more tailored approach, or maybe their letters in a different language, in which case, easily pick up the account and then draft customised letters specifically for that individual account. When emailing debt correspondence, the letter will be attached as a PDF document, in which case you will want a professionally written email referencing the attachment. You might choose to use the same email design for each level of letter, or you might want to design a different email for each level to reinforce the severity of the correspondence. Let's see this working. You can choose how and when you wish to generate your debt correspondence, either individually or in bulk, daily, weekly, monthly. It's entirely up to you. You can even select the level of letter, a range of levels, or a range of customers that are due to receive the next demand for payment. Impressively, this facility can generate both letters to be emailed and letters to be printed at the same time. You can even choose to preview and approve the customers before their correspondence is generated. And there you have it. So what happens now? Here comes the technical bit. You can now continue working whilst the scheduler handles all of the processing in the background on the server itself. This is known as server-side processing. The letters will be mail merged and the PDF files will be created. Then they will either be printed for those customers who require a hard copy, or for those customers receiving via email, attached to the relevant email template and sent via an SMTP server. All of which happens automatically in the background, minimising disruption to both you and your colleagues. The email will then be delivered into the customer's inbox, like so. Need to resend a letter swiftly? No problem. The debt management history instantly displays an audit trail of previously sent letters with drill down capabilities to the physical PDF, which of course can be easily resent at the touch of a button. In addition, for each debt correspondence that is created, a sales ledger note and a credit management completed diary action is automatically recorded against the relevant customer. The account is also updated to display the last letter and the date sent. This provides visibility of key information to all staff that might be working on the account. Still want more of an audit trail? A historical report of all debt correspondence generated provides a complete audit trail, particularly useful for difficult customers where you might want an instant snapshot of previous demands for payment. The intuitive debt management facility provides up to 9 levels of intelligently tailored debt correspondence per company or per individual customer for sensitive sites. These can then be emailed or printed individually or in bulk. Server-side processing handles the generation, mail merging, sending and printing of correspondence in the background, eliminating disruption to your usual processing. It's flexible, familiar and easy to use. It caters for different types of users and adapts to fit your business's credit control needs. This facility is just one element of the Credit Management Centre, which is available for Opera 3. To find out more, please visit pegasus.co.uk, visit the Media Centre, Product Demos, scroll down to view the Credit Management Centre demonstration video. Or for further information, please contact your Pegasus partner. Thank you.